Hi guys, so I know it's been long since I uploaded a video. I made a lot of videos but I didn't make it to YouTube because a lot of things going on my mind hinders me to do so. But now this is my nth attempt to upload a video because I'm so excited over a package that arrived. I love Korean products, I love Korean makeup, I love Korean skincare, you name it, and I love Korean drama. That's why I order Korean products. So recently I ordered something from Althea. I have been ordering from them online for 2 years now just because they are legit Korean products and they've come from Korea, straight from Korea. They deliver it to you. They also have an option for cash on delivery and you can pay them in advance. So let's get right into it. So I wanted to try out the products immediately after I opened them. So I only prepped my brows and my skin, put on some moisturizers, and that's it. It's just to see how the products works on me. I'm really sorry for the background noise. I was recording it while we have a fan on, but I just wanted to show you how it sounds, or I just wanted to reminisce the sound of opening a box. As you can see, they have a rainbow themed box and it was so beautiful because it's their birthday event. They have this box specially made for this month and it is just so pretty. And also they give out free stickers that my son really loved playing. It was packed with bubble wrap, and who here doesn't love a bubble wrap? The first item that we have is this brush eyeliner by Doll Eyes, and I have it in color brown. This eyeliner is so lovely because it has a brush point, and by experience I have the easiest control with brush eyeliners. The second item that I've got from the Althea box is this Brow Wow Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Soft Gray. The reason why I chose Soft Gray is that when I ordered this Althea box online, I had darker hair and now I had retouches. That's why my hair looks lighter in the video. The third item is a surprise because I didn't remember ordering this, but it turns out they gave it as a freebie. They gave 2 small sizes of this. This is a Wonder Pour freshener from Etude House, and it smells lovely. This is what I'm most excited about of all the items that I have from the box. This is the Dear Darling tint from Etude House. Actually, this is not the first Dear Darling tint that I've got from Etude House. This is in the shade BR401. I wanted to have little color even if I am always staying inside the house all the time. But I want to see a little color even if when I'm preparing first thing in the morning. I also ordered this Petal Velvet Sunaway SPF 50+. I needed a sunscreen even inside the house because I learned that UVA light penetrates right through window glasses, so you can never really be confident even if you are under shade. So the last item is this Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. I really can't even tell how moisturizing this is. So, did you enjoy my Althea unboxing? I hope you do so. I learned a lot about making this video. I learned that if you want to do something, you have to go for it without, like, you can have hesitations, but what I mean is you can have hesitations, but if you really wanted to do something, self-doubt will not help, or self-doubt, you should not listen to your self-doubt. So that's what I mean. I have been planning to grow this channel for a very long time now. I've been talking to my best friends about it, but I feel like I'm not enough, or I always have excuses to do it. I always have my reservations, and like every time I have so low self-esteem, or every time my schedule doesn't work, I do not make time for it, or I do not give it a thought, just because I think that I am not enough, or I'm not good enough for a YouTube channel. But now I realize that as I'm growing older, I don't want to have regrets in my deathbed. And at least, even if this channel will not grow. Sorry, I got cut off on that last clip that I recorded. So what I'm trying to say is that if you really wanted to do something, you should not think about your limitations or what you cannot do. I know for a fact that I'm not good at recording videos and I'm not good at editing or something, but you have to try it, because if you will not try it, you will never know if you're good at it or if other people will like your work. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video that I made, and I hope to see you in another video that I will be making hopefully soon. And please subscribe to my channel. It will do a lot to me. So I hope you have a good day, and yeah, that's it. Bye.